Hello, my name's Annette with Sunbeam Fabric Art. Today, let's talk about hexagons. This is a hexagon. I punch out a hexagon from an old file folder or some other kind of cardstock, and I stitch some fabric around it to make a hexagon or a hexie. They can be made in all kinds of sizes. I have a little stitch kit I take on flights with me, and today I'm going to stitch some hexagons on a flight to Miami. My flight left very early before the sun came up. So the lighting you see here is that wonderful spotlight of an airplane seat. As you can see, I grabbed a piece of white fabric to stitch on, and since the thread I'm using is not white, it's a light blue, I took that hexie out before I completed it, flipped it over just to make sure that that blue thread was not going to show through my white fabric. So the plan I have in mind for my hexies does not require a flower look to it. I took a minute and sewed 7 of my hexies together just to see how that was looking. They came out nicely. And it's time to land in Miami. Well, I'm back home. Let's see how many hexagons I actually made during that early morning flight to Miami. If you guessed 39, you are correct. I made 39 hexagons on this early morning flight. Thanks for coming along with me on this little trip, and I hope to see you back again real soon.